In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix location is not available, access is denied error in Windows 10, 8, and 7. First thing you're going to do is find your drive that you're having issues with. So for example, for me, it's this one. So what you would do is right click, properties, and here you would go to security, advanced, change, advanced, find now, expand this and find your name, your username. So you should find it over here. This is the name. So once you find it, so let's say for example, let's see if I can find it here. So I found it, it's this one. After you find it, you want to click OK, and you will click OK here, and here you will click apply and then OK, and there finally click apply and OK. And then what you're gonna do next is right click, properties, security, advanced, actually no, go here. Okay, so I'm gonna show the example, the second example on this drive. So let's assume that you did do the first step. So when you do the second step, assume you're doing the same on this drive, but I'm gonna do it on here. So whatever I'm doing here, you're gonna do on your drive that you're having an error with. So you would basically right click, properties, and security, and you should be able to see this tab, like a similar tab like this, and then you would click edit and then add, advanced, find now, and here you would find the one that says everyone. Click on it, then you want to click OK, then you want to click OK again, then you want to click apply. So I'm going to show you here, hold on. So you would click everyone, OK, and then OK. Then once you find it over here, you want to click full control, apply, and OK. And here you want to click apply and OK. And after that, your issue should be fixed.